Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover or disable your Samsung Wallet Quick Access on your Galaxy Watch. Step 1. On your Galaxy Watch, swipe up and then open the Samsung Wallet app. Step 2. If Quick Access was removed or disabled, tap the menu icon and go to Settings and then select Quick Access. Step 3. Toggle the option on to re-enable the Quick Access with a shortcut like double pressing the Home key. Step 4. If you want to disable the quick access instead, toggle the switch off from the same menu. Step 5. You can customize which gesture opens Samsung Wallet from Settings, and then Advanced Features, and then Customize Keys. Step 6. Test it by double pressing the home button, and then if Wallet opens or doesn't open based on your setting, and that step worked. And now you have successfully recovered or disabled your Samsung Wallet Quick Access on your Galaxy Watch. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.